Ever walk up to your car and find a flat tire or get stuck somewhere with no air pump and no help? That's exactly why this lives in my trunk. This is the GOOLOO A5 Jump Starter with the air compressor, and it's designed for real roadside, outdoor, and emergency situations. Most people don't carry jumper cables. Most people don't carry an air compressor. And when something goes wrong, you're stuck waiting for roadside assistance. This replaces all of that with one compact device. The GOOLOO A5 combines 5 essential tools in one: emergency jump starter, high pressure tire inflator, USB Type-C fast charging power bank, built-in LED light, SOS emergency warning mode. It's built for car emergencies, road trips, camping, and even home use. Let's start with the feature most people actually use first, the air compressor. This inflator goes up to 160 psi and can inflate a standard car tire to 36 psi in under 1 minute. You simply connect the hose, set your desired pressure, and press start. It uses a simple 4-button control system, and it automatically stops once it reaches the target pressure. No guessing, no overinflating. It also works for bikes, sports equipment, air mattresses, and camping gear. There's also a powerful emergency jump starter. Simply plug the adapter right in. It delivers up to 4,500 amps of peak current, supporting engines up to 9 liters gas and 6.5 liter diesel. The jumpstart process is designed to be simple, just 3 steps, and the smart clamps guide you safely. There's even a low voltage boost mode for completely drained batteries. Built in here is a bright LED light, perfect for nighttime breakdowns. Get a flashing warning mode and an SOS emergency mode. And it doubles as a power bank with USB Type-C fast charging, so you can keep your phone and other devices powered in emergencies. And also the loop string is a USB Type-C cord, really convenient. So you can hang it and charge it. The A5 is compact and easy to store in your trunk. It's rated to work at extreme temperatures from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius. It also includes a 10-layer safety protection system, protecting against reverse polarity, overheating, and overcharging. This is one of those things you hope you never need, but you'll be really glad you have it when you do. If you ever had a flat tire or needed a roadside emergency, drop a comment or share what happened. I'll leave a discount link below if you want to go check it out yourself. It's GOOLOO A5. Always good to go. I absolutely love this thing. I take it with me everywhere I go. It's super convenient. It's easy to carry. It fits in the trunk or charge your cell phones, your devices, fill up your tires. It comes with a convenient carrying bag, as well as all the charging cables, as well as all of the adapters for balls and other inflatables, the tire inflator, jumper cables. Comes with everything you need, and it fits easily in one bag. Even the loop carrying cable is a USB Type-C charging cable. And what I really like about it too, the screen is easy to read even in the daytime. You can select from car, motorcycle, bicycle, basketball or ball,